Real number on a lot of people's homes here in the coastal bend. Some folks suffered a total loss to their property. Others suffered less serious damages. But now, how does all of that figure into doing your income taxes? Here's Dr. Brad to give us a little more insight. You got some good news, I understand.
Well, yeah, of course. That could be some good news. Well, now, we certainly don't want to downplay the devastation that affected many people due to Hurricane Harvey. Here is a tax tip that could save you some money. Hurricane Harvey did a number on people's homes here in the coastal bend. Some people suffered a total loss to their property. Others may have faced smaller losses. CPA Craig Adamson says you can claim these losses on your taxes.
Your losses would be any out-of-pocket expenses directly related to the loss of property.
Adamson says you can use Form 4684 and get the deduction whether you itemize your taxes or not.
That's off the top of your standard deduction.
The hurricane also played havoc with builders. Keeping track of losses was bad enough, not to mention in the midst of building homes and meeting deadlines. This put a lot of contractors behind schedule on their paperwork. Like Garrick Burnson, who builds homes. He was in Adamson's office this morning filing an extension.
Yeah, as we're kind of recovering now, it's definitely everybody's been trying to get back in their homes and businesses, and everybody's getting the opportunity to kind of get reorganized and get through their paperwork and administrative work. So, check your taxes and make sure you're caught up on everything.
All right, now before you do, it's always better to consult a tax professional. This just in, the Treasury Secretary says that people who have been unable to pay their taxes because the IRS payment website was down this afternoon, they're going to receive an extension when the site is working again. How long that extension is, we don't know. Some extensions are 6 months. That's till August. Well, that could be pretty good news for you. Now, if you haven't filed yet, you have until midnight if you can get through on the website. If not, you got to take it down to the post office. Make sure that thing is stamped and sent to the proper places. Now, Credit Karma does taxes for free if you're interested in that. And here's also a link to our website, which will give you this paper right here. Now, this is the form that you fill out if you have suffered damages and paid for damages due to Hurricane Harvey. Dr. Brad Hoffman, I'm always on your side. Action 10 News.